You have defeated or will defeat another boss. You have or will overcome an energy or energies of others that have tried to repress you, control you, destroy you. Okay? And it's like you were meeting the same energies but in different people. And it was because there were parts of you, and I'm not saying that you deserved this treatment, because you didn't, but there were parts of you and layers within you that needed to be shredded, that needed to be healed, released, purged, in order to upgrade energetically and spiritually, to be able to overcome these entities that were trying to bind you, restrict you. These energies had a way to interfere with your life, interfere with how you view yourself, your values, who you value, what you value. They got in the way of your romantic relationships without you realizing it. They became so present in your life that you became so reliant on their energy, on them, when in actual fact they were a hidden enemy. They always interfered with your growth, presenting like they are helpful, presenting like they care. They were blocking you and stagnating you. And every time you may have tried to move away, move into a new direction to better yourself, this person kept clinging on to your energy to keep you stuck. They were in refusal to let you go energetically. They wanted to consume you. For some of you, this could be an ex-partner. This could be individuals who had access to you, individuals who you were connected to but who wanted to sleep with you, individuals who were reckless, who were taking you down a path of disaster and despair. These energies kept you sleeping without you realizing. You slept on your goals, you slept on your dreams, you slept on expansion. You felt like you were in a daze, like some type of hazy feeling whenever you were around them. Because they were stuck. They were stagnated. They didn't have any goals. Their goal actually was to capture your essence and control you. Yeah. You were in a state of stuckness. And this is exactly how this energy or these energies wanted you to be. But you've broken free. You have begun to work on your self-mastery. No longer are you allowing these energies, who can't even control themselves, control you, your mood, your actions, whatever it is that you want to do. You're looking at them for who they are. Someone who is lost, and someone who tries to project their authority over others because they lack authority in their own life. Once you understand where it's coming from, my darling, you will get the assignment. Butterflies, honestly. Once you started to honor yourself, validate yourself, value yourself, this person's grip started lessening. They could only align with you, control you, devalue you when you weren't valuing yourself. But the minute you started to pour into yourself and you started to upgrade, you started to take yourself seriously, your health seriously, your life seriously, you started to change the way that you look, how you look, etc. They were not a match anymore. Then they became very angry with you. How dare you leave me? Spirit intervened. You're not an energetic match. You've lost power. Goodbye. Now these people are all up in their head. Nightmares. They can't cope. Thinking of ways that they can lure you back in. When they were in your life, I done a video about this yesterday. Since you removed yourself from this person or people, right? I actually have to put people there. I'm going to go back and edit it and put people, right? Because it could be more than one. Your life has basically been popping off. You're elevating. These people are blocking your blessings intentionally. Look at her face. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. They were intentionally doing this. This could be a mother figure, fearful that you're going to marry someone. What does it mean for them? Exclusion? Oh, but this exclusion is coming, darling, because spirit could see everything that you're doing, and it's selfish. This could be a friend that didn't want you to get into a relationship, maybe because they weren't in a relationship. Maybe they felt that if you get into a relationship, you're going to marry before them. Maybe they had secret feelings for you. They barricaded your energy from others, and it was for them to leave you alone. They were actually trying to rival spirit. Spirit was trying to barricade their energy from you, but they were taking on that energy. Does this make sense? And using it to barricade others that spirit was trying to send in to help you, to break you free from this trance that you were in. Not gonna lie, some of you were under some type of mental manipulation, you know, right? And they were using that energy, and people started to back away. Or you were doing their dirty work and pushing other people away. Don't say that about my friend. Don't say that about my mum. Don't say that about my man. You know? We've all been there. They knew exactly what they were doing. Very manipulative individual. That's why when this backfire comes, it's hitting hard. You're going to defeat this person by, or you have defeated them by placing value in yourself. Learning that what you want for yourself is desired, has been desired for a long time, and is deserving. Maybe this person had a way to manipulate you to make you believe that you're not deserving. Oh, no one's gonna want to marry you because look at your age, or you don't make enough, or who's gonna be there for me. They programmed your brain, or they're trying to program your brain. Once you snap and think, you know what, there's still time. It's never too late to marry. It's never too late to start a business. It's never too late to work my way up in life. It's never too late to find love. That is how you will defeat them. Also by removing yourself and cutting them off, because some of you are going to literally have to go cold turkey on these people and block them. Even if you're around them. For some of you, I'm hearing like at functions, work, or like, you know, family dues, just high and by it. Or just for some of you, if you want to be like me, act like they don't exist. Literally, just act like they don't exist. You know, because you got to protect your energy. And they're going to be all up in their head because the control that they had before is going to be no more. So they're going to start possibly waking up with nightmares like, who have they found now? Because their fear is for you to find a love that will love you correctly. And for some of you, you have defeated this energy by being loved correctly. And that's what has opened your eyes. Maybe someone has said, okay, this is not right and that's not right, and you know, or there may be like a coven of people that are protecting you now. This could be someone that is showing you a different way, or you're hanging, I don't know, but there's something that I feel like it starts with you. It starts with you valuing yourself, pouring into yourself, and you know, looking after yourself and loving yourself. Your self-love has helped you clock this boss. You connecting to your power, you knowing that you are powerful, you understanding why this person came for you in the first place. For some of you, it's because they want to control you. For others of you, it's because they are threatened by you. They want to destroy you. They want to minimize you because you being around makes them feel that they're not powerful. You didn't say so, but they did. So it's going to break their heart to find out that they can't control you. They're a fake leader. You know, this is the Emperor card, the leader card. They're a fake leader. They can't even lead their own life, let alone yours. They have to try and control you and trap you to their own way of being. And they're going to lose. And they're losing right now because you're choosing yourself. And you're choosing love. And they're trying to go against spirit, God, universe, ancestors, whoever you believe in. And they're saying it's wrong. So that they are at the tail end of some type of power, but it's coming to a bitter end, because when you finally walk away, when you stop investing and collaborating with them, they've got nothing to work from. You're pulling back your energy, or you will pull back your energy. And that will be the final defeat. When you say no more, I'm choosing me. I'm choosing love. I'm choosing my self-love. You or the people mentioned in this reading could be of the signs Taurus, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, Taurus, Libra, Aries, Gemini, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node on the list. And the fact that we keep mentioning Taurus indicates that, I feel like this has something to do with your values. Again, like I mentioned, because Taurus does rule the second house, which talks about values, what you value, how you value. And you're going to go through, or if you're not going through this right now, a time where you're going to start wanting things for yourself, wanting better for yourself, and realizing that who you're around, what you are around, are preventing you from reaching your purpose, and that's when the break may come. Because being around this type of energy, you're not going to elevate, you're not going to evolve, you're going to be stuck, and then you're going to be unhappy. And that could be that aha moment for you, where you start to see that my life ain't moving. The things that I wanted, I can't even plan. It's going to come as a breaking point, and you're going to be urged to choose you by spirit, God, or whoever you believe in, right? And for some of you, this person's going to try and minimize you. They're minimizing. It's going to come, it's going to come full force. And then you're going to check the situation and think to yourself, but wait a minute, this person's not even on my level. Look at the way they carry themselves. They have to, they hide themselves. They are a fake leader. They're a fake warrior. They're fake powerful, and they're targeting me. Why are they targeting me? Why are they ignoring me? Why am I intimidating them? Because I'm everything that they want to be. So their behavior will be designed to make you hide yourself and second guess yourself. No, Spirit is saying that you're going to dig even deeper. You're going to be even more unapologetic. As long as you don't hurt anyone or yourself, you're going to express yourself. You're going to not hide yourself, not censor yourself. And that's how you defeat this type of energy. Guys, I will speak to you soon. I love you. Keep shining. Take care. Peace out.